What's up guys, I'm Squeak Pro Barber. I'm going to teach you guys how to turn your OG heritage ones into the OG bred toes. Hold on, let's start right from the top. So right here we got the OG heritage ones, brand new, fresh out the box. So what we're going to do, we're going to take them and we're going to dip them in coffee. So we're going to do coffee stain first. So next what we're going to do is we're going to use nail polish remover so we can remove the top layer, pretty much the clear coat, so that way the coffee stain can stick. So right now I got hot water, not boiling but pretty hot. And then I'm just going to dump the coffee inside. So next I'm going to take the sneaker, I'm going to dip it inside the coffee. We're going to leave it in there for about 40 minutes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a piece of wood and kind of just hold them down to keep them under the water. I'm not going to lie, these actually look kind of fresh like this. Coffee stain, just the way they are. But we're going to leave them outside, let them dry up before we get to the next step. Alright, so what I'm going to be using is the Angelus black paint along with the matte acrylic finish. And I also bought a duller. I didn't put it on here, but the duller actually helped a lot because it took away the glossiness that it had from the clear coat. I tried using tape to tape everything up, but the tape wasn't even sticking, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna freehand the whole sneaker.